full of myself. Natural how I'm pulling myself. Got my team, we all got fam. Nobody's stomach's full by itself. I hear the talking, they hating, but I'm laughing, and they faces like no price to make the exchange. Gave my life away to this game. Got my mic stays for they came. My Ice David is blame. I'm fresh to death and ain't no, I don't give a middle finger about none of them hopes. I was on the block and now I'm on the clock, cause I was born to rock and y'all know I'm stone. Young money bitch, they the dudes. Independent, major moves. Truck fit YMCMB. Can't none of y'all be incredibly as me. If it ain't about bang, don't BS me. Got drink so dark like PFC. Ain't for play, no PS3. This thing ain't no PSP. They hating on me, I'm laughing. I'm laughing, I'm laughing, they hating on me, I'm laughing, they hating on me, I'm laughing, I'm laughing, I'm laughing, keep hating on me, I'm laughing, they hating on me, I'm laughing, I'm laughing, I'm laughing, they hating on me, I'm laughing, they hating on me, I'm laughing, I'm laughing. I'm laughing, keep hating on me, I'm laughing.
I got a foreign wife, I got a foreign car, I get foreign money, I mean I'm going far, spending all the night and get more tomorrow. I'm from outer space, I was born to star. Instead of playing it part, niggas hating hard, so I hardy hard. Get 100 grand, I might take a flight and go party hard. Paris, stun it, Vegas, stun it, pick it, name it, they don't want it. All my haters look surprised, but all my niggas seen it coming. Always rolling up that steak, always got a shot to drink. Laughing all the way to the bank. And my car just pulled up. Every time I see y'all, keep my weed jar filled up. Niggas smell that smoke and be like, bro, what is this? I'm leaving tracks when I skirt out. I'm on that pack, put that dirt out. I'm talking loud what you heard about. My nigga pounds, but no workout. I'm talking keys to the Chevy, 50 G's to get ready. Need a pound of that lobster. We gon' need some spaghetti, cause my niggas is mobbing. Not to mention we ready, and you waiting on family.